Hello everyone, and now we are going to discuss about the continents of the world. Throughout the world, how many continents has been found? So, according to its area, there are 7 continents has been found all over the world. The first one, Asia. Second place occupied by Africa. Third place, North America. And the fourth place, South America. Fifth place, Antarctica. Sixth place, occupied by Europe. And the seventh place, occupied by Australia. So, in this term, we will discuss firstly about South American continent, because if we talk about in the context of countries and as well as capital, this is the most easier than the other countries. So now one by one we will discuss about the countries and as well as the capital which lies in South American continent. So before knowing capital and its country, we should know few things which is very essential, and in further videos I will explain also about that. So in the north of South American continent, Arabian Sea lies. In the northeast, that is North Atlantic Ocean. In South Atlantic Ocean, it means in southeast South Atlantic Ocean, and this region has been occupied by Pacific Ocean. So one by one, this country is known as Ecuador. The capital of Ecuador, that is Quito. The second country, that is Peru, and the capital of Peru, that is Lima. Third one, and as well as the longest coastal line, has been occupied by Chile, and the capital of Chile, that is Santiago. After that, now this one, Buenos Aires, that is Argentina. The capital of Argentina, that is Buenos Aires, and Buenos Aires is very famous for meat, or we can say that the beef meat all over the world. And now just in the north, and we can say that northeast, that is Uruguay. The capital of Uruguay, that is Montevideo. And after that, the largest area which has been occupied in this continent, that is Brazil, and the capital of Brazil, that is Brasilia. And this one, that is Bolivia, and the capital of Bolivia, that is La Paz, and as well as Sucre. Both are considered as the capital of Bolivia. Now the next one, that is French Guiana, and the capital of French Guiana, that is Caen. And this one, which is nearer to the equator, that is Colombia, and the capital of Colombia, that is Bogota. And in the east of Colombia, we can see easily, that is Venezuela, and the capital of Venezuela, that is Caracas. Okay, and after that, after Venezuela, now this one, that is Guyana, and the capital of Guyana, that is Georgetown. And after Guyana, now in sequence we are seeing this one is, that is Suriname, and the capital of Suriname, that is Paramaribo. And already we have discussed about French Guiana. The capital of French Guiana, that is Caen. And now this one was left after Bolivia, the country which lies. This is the country. The name of this one is Paraguay, and the capital of Paraguay, that is Asuncion. So these are the names of the countries and as well as the capital. If we talk about the continents in Hindi, the term which has been used in Hindi for continents, that is Mahadvip. Okay, and महाद्वीपों के क्रम में यदि हम देखें और किस दृष्टिकोण से, क्षेत्रफल के दृष्टिकोण से, तो पहला महाद्वीप एशिया आता है, दूसरे स्थान पर अफ्रीका, तीसरे स्थान पर नॉर्थ अमेरिका, चौथे स्थान पे साउथ अमेरिका, पांचवें स्थान पे अंटार्कटिका, छठे स्थान पे यूरोप और सातवें स्थान पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया। और इस चर्चा के पश्चात इट मीन्स द कंट्रीज एंड एज वेल एज द कैपिटल। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ महत्वपूर्ण बातों को जो कि इस कॉन्टिनेंट से संबंधित है एंड दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द व्यू ऑफ different competitive exams. So thank you.